Okay, what we have here is a HHO welding system. This is, you get a torch right here, connected to a bubbler, and to the HHO generator. This is a 22 plate, 4 positives and 4 negatives and 2 neutrals in between, for a total of 22 plates. And you get this additional extension cable here. This is if you want to weld, you'd have to you would put it in here like this, and you would add acetone. You would mix acetone with HHO in order to weld. Otherwise, pure HHO, you just start melting things down. Pretty good for jewelers or whatever you want to melt things down. So we're gonna show you how this works right now. Show you when it's running. This is all you would get right here in this, what you see right here.